Yun, dahil installation tayo ng mini driving light X1 Plus. Tapos PIA loud horn with combo light, pass light to. So check natin yung mini driving light nito kung sumasayad. So malayo yan. Tapos pa-testing ako ng pre-low beam nito, white, puti. Yan, low beam white, high beam single yellow. Tapos patayin mo, pass light, low beam, pass light, high beam, pass light. So kahit ng high beam pwede mag pass light. Patayin mo, stock horn, PIA, yung pinaka switch nando sa bulsa. So, yung PIA pinot na kasi okay, kusina. Yan, tapos low beam, kusina. Tapos patayin mo, stock horn muna, stop. Tapos combo light, PIA, low beam, combo light.